keep all the chicken. Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's another Sunday, which means I'm at Aldi, and tomorrow, November 29th, is the 1-year anniversary since I posted my first video over here on Aldi Addict. I had been posting Aldi hauls for a few years on my older channel, but I made a dedicated Aldi channel almost 1 year ago, and I can't wait to celebrate with you guys. So after we get all the goods inside, stay tuned, and I have a fun little giveaway. I'll share all the details at the end. Let's get into the store for now. I'm getting a loaf of brioche bread to make French toast sticks this week. My 5-year-old requested this dinner. $3.39 for the loaf. 32 cents a pound for bananas. I'm gonna get a bunch. $4.49. My husband asked me to get oranges. My whole family loves to just slice these up and eat them. I'm gonna get a thing of strawberries for my daughter's lunches, even though I hate the price. $3.99. This week, but look, it'd be 19 cents. I'm getting carrots though for $1.59. Just have his vegetables and mini cucumbers for my daughter's lunches, $2.49 for a bag. $3.49 for Asian charred salad kit. I wish I wanted those, but they don't look good. My Aldi must have way over ordered all their lettuces. Eggs, need this for holiday baking that starts now that Thanksgiving's over. $1.21 for the dozen. $2.41 for a gallon of milk. Gotta look for a clean one, I guess. One of my absolute favorite Aldi products, the Friendly Farms vanilla almond milk. I'm going to get a gallon of orange juice for our breakfast dinner, and then my kids will just drink it. I'm making chili, so I'm going to get kidney beans and pinto beans. Both are 96 cents per can. And then I'm going to get 2 cans of diced tomatoes at 64 cents a piece. And then I need to get 4 cans of tomato sauce at 31 cents a piece. Running low on Nutella for Nutella sandwiches for my daughter's lunch, $1.79. I'm buying these for my older daughter to see if she'd like them for her lunch. Cinnamon applesauce packets, $1.39. Green peppers, $2.29. I only need 1 for my chili, but then I think it'll be good for my girls to have the others in their lunches. Great to munch on. I'm getting movie theater butter popcorn. My husband loves this stuff, $1.95. Grape juice, $2.09, requested by my 10-year-old Elsie. Popcorn maker, cotton candy maker, super cute, they're $25. Hot hairbrush, I actually have one of these from Revlon. Let's see, king mattress pad, bed sets. Ooh, the baskets are cute. They have so many Lego sets, super cute. This is the one I think is adorable, the camper. They're $18 or $9. A bunch of cozy slipper socks. They have very cute pajamas here, really soft and nice feeling. And those are $13. I'm actually gonna get these foam bowls, $1.49. Look at, they have the bee boots. I think they had these a couple of years ago, or one's very similar. They already are lined. $18, and then different rain boots for $12.99. Really well stocked. Here are the trains. They're not super big. Games, kids buckets, LOL OMGs, Hot Wheel toys. Oh, the giant Beanie Boos. Last week I showed my girls the really big Dumbos, and they were really sad that I didn't buy them. And I kind of had regrets myself. Giant plushes. Those are $22.99. Still have all the Christmas stuff, activity pads for kids, tape, boxes, bath advent. Oh, they do not have very many Christmas cards left, but I'm gonna grab 2. grabbing those two at $1.99 each. Candles. Oh my gosh, the little puppet books from Halloween. Super cute. Lots of leftover items down here. More toys, leftover items. Oh my goodness, fall gnomes arrived here. And they are only $1.99. Super cute. If you're in Kalamazoo, $1.99 gnomes. Okay, stock up time again. I think these definitely compare to name brand. $3.45 a pack. I'm getting a couple. My husband asked me to get paper cups or plastic cups, $2.69. The one choice at Aldi. I needed more trash bags, $5.45 for 45 bags. Wait. I'm actually going to try $5.25 for 40 bags of the Flex. We'll see. Okay, so the recipe I use for chili calls for 2 pounds of beef, but I like to use 1 pound of beef, 1 pound of sausage, $1.89 for this pound of sausage. I found 50% off stickers on a whole bunch of chicken. And this is generally when I buy it and chop it up and freeze it. So I'm going to probably do that here. So if you're ever watching and you wonder why I don't buy chicken for chicken meals, it's because I try to buy it inexpensive, whether Aldi or here, and freeze it. So I have lots of freezer chicken. And in case you're wondering, there's still so much red sticker chicken available, like all over. I did not clear it out. Getting a bag of Donut Store blend coffee, $2.95. I need beef broth for $1.15 for my chili. I'm making a lemon garlic pasta, a simple dinner one evening, and $1.49. I'm getting this pasta. My favorite brownie mix. My 10-year-old Elsie requested this, 98 cents. Okay, I'm gonna get 5 of these at 57 cents a piece, unflavored. I love them. I drink about 1 a day. So my husband asked for more tangerine water, and there's 1 left. So, oh wait, maybe there's 2. But I have to dig for it. Oh, there's a couple. Yay. $3.19 each. Let's see, they have the gluten-free donuts, different varieties, lava cakes. I'm going to get these cream puffs. I'm going to get these cream puffs. We won't eat them anytime soon, but my husband loves them, $4.79. And then they'll be in the freezer when we do want them, probably at a Christmas gathering. Holiday pizzas. Asian stir fries. And duck. So my daughter asked me to amend the meal for tonight, which was a chicken pot pie with drop biscuits, into an actual chicken pot pie. So I'm going to change the recipe of it. $1.55. That's from last week's meal plan. Cinnamon rolls, $1.25. $4.79 for 8 cups of cheddar. I'm going to get a couple boxes of hot chocolate with marshmallows, $1.49 each. $3.29 for hash brown patties for our breakfast dinner. Then $1.99 for hash browns for cheesy potatoes. So here is my haul for the week. Peep all the chicken. Any guesses on total? This was my favorite last year. I'm not buying it this year because I bought the line, but yum. If you're in the market, go look for it. They're in stores now. Okay, so I'm out. My total is $122.22, and that includes 10 packs of chicken breasts. I'm super excited because my freezer stock is running really low, and now I can get it back up. It's the best way to save money. I buy it, I trim it, I prepare it, and I freeze it in meal-sized portions, and it really makes the chicken last for a long time. So before I get to the meal plan, I want to share with you guys, I bought 2 $50 gift cards to give away as a thank you for supporting and subscribing to my channel. And if you want details on how to enter that, I will be giving it away on my live on Tuesday. I think it's December 7th, but I'm going to give the details in the first pinned comment, and I'll share more about it on my live. But check out the pinned comment below. All you have to do is follow a link, provide your email address, sign up for my email list, and you'll be entered to win a $50 gift card. Or I'm going to put a poll on my channel if you guys would rather me give away 2 $50 gift cards or give one person both $50 gift cards. So I'll let you guys pick. I'm super excited, and you have some time to enter, but thank you so much for supporting this channel. It's been an awesome year, and I'm excited to keep going. So now let's see what the meal plan. So the menu for this week, I'm making Wendy's chili. I'm going to serve that with spaghetti. My daughter wants it, the rest and the leftovers in her lunch. I'm going to make a lemon pasta with broccoli on the side. We're going to have French toast sticks, sausage patties, hash brown patties. I'm going to make cheesy potatoes and baked chicken, and then we'll have the salad kit with that. Grandpa special with toast. My husband and I get a date night, and then we will have leftovers of whatever's left. Everyone can kind of make their own thing. I have my eye on the chili. If you want to see how I make this Wendy's copycat chili, it's super easy. I make it in the crock pot. You can check out this video right here. Or you could also check out how I make French toast sticks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Check the pinned comment below. Ciao, Donna, ciao.